Hello everyone and welcome to the video on the amazing herb, basil. If you're a fan of flavorful and aromatic herbs, then you're in for a treat today. In this video, I'll be exploring the various benefits and uses of basil, from its culinary applications to its pharmacological properties. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from this channel. I'll be bringing you the latest and greatest information on all things health and wellness, so be sure to stay tuned. Basil is a herb commonly used in cooking for its sweet, slightly peppery flavor. Fresh basil leaves are used in recipes and dried basil can be found in spice form. Here are 10 ways to use basil to maximize its potential benefits for the body. Basil can be used to add flavor to meats and vegetables, much like it is used in other cuisines. Basil is also used in traditional medicine in some West African countries, where it is believed to have healing properties for various ailments. Blend fresh basil leaves with garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil to make a delicious pesto sauce to add to pasta or as a spread on sandwiches. Mix fresh basil leaves with balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and honey to make a healthy and flavorful salad dressing. Steep dried basil leaves in hot water to make a tea with potential health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and improving cardiovascular health. Add fresh basil leaves to smoothies for a burst of flavor and potential health benefits. Use fresh basil leaves to add flavor to soups, stews, and broths. Add fresh basil leaves to sautéed or grilled vegetables for added flavor and potential health benefits. Mix fresh basil leaves into rice dishes for added flavor and potential health benefits. Steep fresh or dried basil leaves in olive oil or vinegar for several weeks, then strain and use as a flavorful addition to dishes. Here are some ways to preserve and process basil to maintain its freshness and flavor. Wrap basil in damp paper towels and store in a plastic bag in the refrigerator. This method can keep basil fresh for up to a week. Wash and dry basil, then chop it and place in an airtight container or freezer bag. This method can keep basil fresh for several months. Drying: hang basil stems upside down in a warm, dry place until the leaves are crisp and crumbly. Store dried basil in an airtight container. It is important to properly store and process basil to prevent spoilage and maintain its fresh flavor and aroma. These are some of the health benefits of basil. Basil has been shown to contain antioxidants, which protect cells against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. Some studies have suggested that basil may have anti-inflammatory effects, which could be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Basil has been found to have antimicrobial activity against several bacteria, including Salmonella and E. coli, as well as some yeasts and molds. Basil has been shown to have potential benefits for cardiovascular health, including reducing cholesterol levels, improving blood vessel function, and reducing oxidative stress. The phytochemicals and pharmacological properties of basil include: eucalyptol has been shown to have potential anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, as well as antimicrobial and antifungal activity. Linalool has been shown to have sedative and anxiolytic effects and may have potential applications in treating anxiety and depression. Estragol has been shown to have potential antibacterial and antifungal activity, as well as antioxidant effects. Rosmarinic acid has been shown to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects and may also have antimicrobial and antiviral activity. Caryophyllene has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and may also have potential benefits for treating pain and anxiety. Carvacrol has been shown to have potent antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant activity. Limonene has been shown to have potential anti-cancer effects and may also have antimicrobial and antifungal activity. Ursolic acid has been found to have anti-inflammatory effects and may have potential benefits for reducing risk of chronic diseases such as obesity and type 2 diabetes. Camphor has been used for its pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects and may also have potential benefits for improving circulation and treating respiratory problems. Humulene has been found to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects and may also have potential benefits for reducing risk of certain types of cancer. Pinene has been found to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects and may also have potential benefits for improving memory and reducing risk of certain types of cancer. Saponine has been found to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects and may also have potential benefits for reducing risk of certain types of cancer. Thanks for joining us on this journey to learn more about basil and its many benefits. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new videos and updates from us, and you'll also be supporting our mission to spread awareness about the health benefits of herbs. So hit that subscribe button and let's keep exploring the world of herbs together.